PipSnipers here, back for another update. Let's take a look at QNT over here. And what we're doing over here is just coming down to backtest this long-term trendline resistance as support. As you guys can see, we've been under it for about almost 2 years now, a little bit over 2 years. And this over here is just our last point of support in Wyckoff accumulation before we have continuation to the upside. As you guys can see, we did come down to the 702.786, which is the common target. Sorry, we actually came down to the 61.8% fib right here. So we did come down to the 618.702, and I know I said that the 702.786 is a common target for price to head towards before you tend to see a hard reversal. But in this case, whenever you see a last point of support, it can also bounce off the 618 as well. Right? This over here is your accumulation range. It's reaccumulation. Okay. This over here is your accumulation. This is your manipulation under the range. This is your range reclaim, a back test of the 618, and then when we go down to the hourly time frame, we have a smaller accumulation range, right? Selling climax, automatic rally, second test, failed break, second test in phase B, slightly sweeping your secondary test low, your initial advance, your throwback, and then continuation. So this is the small time frame. Now, if I want to see a push above 126 to confirm a change of character and to confirm bullish order flow. Otherwise, be mindful of a scenario in which the 702 gets swept over here at around 89 bucks. At around 87.7 at the 702. But so far, this looks like Quant looks good for continuation higher, accumulation, manipulation, and then you have distribution. Okay? Now, this is an example of a power of 3 setup. And whenever you spot these in crypto, they're super powerful. Especially when you're, like in the futures market, when you're trading NQ or ES. See, accumulation, manipulation, under the range, under the established range, and then you have expansion. You guys see this? So now, for the targets, what we would be looking at are these targets here. We can simplify this. So this is the all-time high. This is the bear market low. And this is your internal range right here. Internal range liquidity. This is your external range liquidity. We would be targeting the 786. Yeah, we'd be targeting the 786 to sweep this internal range. And then ultimately, we have to sweep the external range, which would take us to this target right here. So we want to take a look at the next immediate target after the all-time high. But we want to be as conservative as possible, so we're going to use the linear scale. Now, I know a lot of traders, they say you can't mix linear and log fibs together, but I disagree because they work in tandem. They're very powerful when you use them in combination. So this is the 1.236, 1.382, and we'll also add the 1.618 in there. We can add all the major fibs, like this. Okay, so it's gonna sweep this internal range, see a little bit of throwback, and then go ahead for your external range. Your draw on liquidity would be this region right here, with the possibility of coming towards the 1.618. Considering it's crypto and it's such a highly over-leveraged asset class, it's likely going to tag this 1.618 at 655. Wouldn't be a bad idea to take profit here, considering that's a 6x from the current price. We would see a pushback from there, maybe come back into this range before seeing continuation higher. We'll take it level for level, but ultimately we would be heading towards these major fibs to be looking for a cycle top. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Before I end this video, I also wanted to show you that we did come down towards the 100-day moving average right here. Do you guys see this? See how we tapped the 100-day right here? And this move over here was the shakeout. You see how violent this move down was? Even to be in this as a retail investor, you would think it's all over, right? You would just be pulling your hair out. This is just the way the market works. You have Wyckoff accumulation on every time frame. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.